Oh, here's to the boys who are happy and gay, singing and dancing and tearing away. Rollicksome, frolicsome, frisky and free. We're the rollicking boys around Tandragee. Bad luck to ye all boys, barring the cant that sits in the corner a smelling the rat. Oh, wish ye philandered girls and behave, and sparing a moment I'll chant ye a stave. I come from the land where the praties grow big, and the girls neat and handy can dance a fine jig. The boys they would charm your poor hearts for to see, for they're raring fine fellas in Tandragee. Here's to them boys who are happy and gay, singing and dancing and tearing away. Rollicksome, frolicsome, frisky and free, we're the rollicking boys around Tandragee. No doubt you've heard of Killarney, I'm sure, or sweet in a showing for a drop on the pure, and Dublin's the place for the strawberry bends, or Donnybrook Fair for the cracking of hens. Have you e'er seen an Irishman dancing pull-tog as he faces his partner and turns up his brogues? He shakes at the buckle and bends at the knee for the raring fine dancers in Tandragee. Here's to them boys who are happy and gay, singing and dancing and tearing away. Rollicksome, frolicsome, frisky and free. We're the rollicking boys around Tandragee. Jaunting cards and elegant yield, and Derry's the place that is famed for a halt. All round the green bushes that grow in Tyrone, and County Fermanagh for muscle and bone. If it's feasting and dancing and fun at the fair, there's none can be matched with those rakes from Kildare. Green Island's the country, the gem of the sea, but the gem of all Ireland is Tandragee. Here's to them boys who are happy and gay, singing and dancing and tearing away. Rollicksome, frolicsome, frisky and free, we're the rollicking boys around Tandragee. Tell me, where is the man, either Christian or Turk, can beat the boulder Robert Dembit or Bork? And where is the lawyer can speak up like Dan and give another bad look to the one? Where is the singer can sing like Tom Moore, whose melodies will charm all dull thoughts from your door? We'll beat them all yet, boys, of that you will see, for we're rare and fine people in Tandragee. Here's to the boys who are happy and gay, singing and dancing and tearing away. Rollicksome, frolicsome, frisky and free, we're the rollicking boys around Tandragee. Here's to them boys who are happy and gay, singing and dancing and tearing away. Rollicksome, frolicsome, frisky and free, we're the rollicking boys around Tandragee.